Hey guys, and welcome to another video of unboxing, and today we're unboxing the PS5. And you can see that the Walmart logo is here, so you can guess that I got lucky from Walmart. So as you can see, this is just a boring box, just brown and typical with the packages. And I put the post-it note here, so obviously I wouldn't leak my address. So let's open it and I'll see you there. So I've just hand opened this, and yup, it's the box, so I'll get that out. So you can see that this box is a white box, so it's the disc version. There's specs right here on the top, and looking over this, I think it's just the same, so we'll just get into opening it. So now opening the box, you can see that the unboxing is really unique from the other consoles that are on the market. And there's many flaps to cover it, which is pretty good. And now there's a handoff. So you can see that there's a handle here. I'm trying not to break the box because I'd like to keep it. So let me. So let's leave that to the side now. And oh, it's just there, so let's see you guys. So this is all the packaging and items that we get from the PlayStation box, and you can see that there are controllers, wires, the stand, booklets, and the main PlayStation. So now let's unwrap everything. So I think this is just a booklet on how to use it, transfer your data from the PlayStation 4. So we'll not be going into that. Safety guide here. If you like that stuff, you can read it. And let's go into the controller. I heard many good things about this controller and about the vibrations. So, oh yeah, so it's like an Xbox and it's really good. You can see that the white is right there, and it's sort of like a matte black finish. Yeah, it's like an Xbox controller. So when I turn it on, I'll get to experience the full thing over here. Yeah, so let's keep that to the side. Just HDMI cable, fast USB 3 cable, and power cable right here. Off to the stand now. And I think there's a new revision where the stand has gotten a boost upgrade sort of thing, but the console itself is the same. So over here is the stand where you put the PlayStation, and now let's get into the big boy. So my first initial thoughts from this console is that it's really big, but I really dig the futuristic vibes coming from it, as there's the slick black in middle of the white, which is pretty cool. This is a disc slot, and on the other side you can see that there's the PlayStation logo, but nothing else. So I really like this console, and I look forward to put many memories inside it. But I will have a initial review after a couple days of using it, and this is just the unboxing. So if you want to see what I think, please like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to stay tuned.